In this video, I'm going to show you how to link out to an external place from your WordPress website. So this was something that one of my members needed to do this week, so asked me to show them how to do it, and I thought it'd be really great for you guys too. So WordPress website, I'm on the back end of my Build It Brilliant WordPress website, but here you can see, oops, I'll go back, visit the site. Here you can see my options at the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an external website to one of these menus, and there's two ways that you can do that, so I'm going to show you both ways. So why would you want to do this? Well, the first one is if you are using an external online course platform, for example, you might want to add to your menu to say online courses, and that when people click on it goes straight to your external site, whether that be New Zenler or Thinkific or Teachable or whatever it is. The other option is sign up. So I use it with my email autoresponder. So I use Aweber as an autoresponder. So it's how I get people to sign up to my list is through Aweber. But obviously I want to direct them to Aweber from my website. So the other one I've got is that. So I'll show you the different ways that you can do it, and then you can understand how you could do it for yourself. So on your website, for a WordPress website, we want to go to Appearance down this side and then Menus. Let's go to Themes. Menus. So this is your, excuse me, your main website menu. So as you can see here, I've got home, and then the two things that are under home, work with me, whatever's under that menu, page about my book. Anything that is aligned closest to this edge will appear as your top option, and then anything underneath will be then your sub menu. It does say sub item underneath to let you know. So what we want to do is we want to add another sub option under here, and I'm going to do one for my membership, for my accelerator. So the first way I'm going to show you is via custom link. So I need to go and find the URL. So I've got a landing page for my accelerator on New Zenler, so I need this URL just here. Alternatively, you might have a course, so you could take them directly to one of your courses if you wanted. And if you wanted to do that, you just click on the course, and then at the top there is pages, giving you a bit of a New Zenler back end here as well. So we have a sales page, so you would copy that URL if you want to take them directly to a sales page for a course. I don't. I want to take them to my accelerator, and I do have a separate site page for that. So I'm going to go to the site, I'm going to go to pages, and then I'm going to pick up this URL just here. So I'm going to highlight it and copy. Back on here, down here on your appearance and then menus, I'm going to create custom links. I'm going to type in the URL, and then I'm going to say what I want that to say. So what is it that you want to call that in your menu? There's some extra dots there, just take those out. And then once you've done that, add to menu, and it will add it at the bottom just here, and then we can drag it to wherever we want it to be. So drag it to here, and then if you save menu, then this will then appear. I'll do it, and then you can see it. So save menu, and then go to the site, and you'll see it when under Work With Me, I've now got membership, and when I click on it, it will go out of my website onto this particular page. And delete that because I already have it, so I don't need it. And then I'll show you the next way. So we are going appearance and then menus. And we're going to delete this one, so we're going to click the down arrow, and then we're going to remove. So the other one is my AMA. Now this is done via Aweber, as I said, And what I've done is I've created the landing page on Aweber. You don't have to. You could create the landing page on your website and then do a sign up page for Aweber. So it's up to you which way you want to do it. But for me, I designed a landing page on Aweber. So this is my AMA, my Ask Me Anything. And under that list, I've gone to landing pages and then I've created a landing page. So this is the landing page here that you see when you go to that particular page on my website. Now Aweber, and I think MailChimp has it as well, has a separate, what they call a plugin, which you download. So you go to plugins, and leave that. So you go to plugins and search for your plugin here. And I have an Aweber for WordPress. And what that does is when you have activated that plugin, so you download it, comes up on here, and then this here where it says deactivate will say activate. You activate it and go through any of the steps that it says, because what it will do is it connect to your Aweber account. Once you've done that, you'll have a Aweber option here, which then gives you a chance to look at any connections that you've got, so landing pages. So what this does is it pulls through the information from my Aweber. As you can see here, my list is my AMA, and this is the landing page, and then you can tell it what the page is that it's going to on your website and the path, and then sync that. So you just follow the steps through on the plugin and it will show you how to set that up. Once you've set that up, if you then go into appearance and then menus again, when here, can you see these most recent ones? There will be one here, the Online Learning AMA, and that's the page that I said on my website that I'm directing this landing page to. So I would click this and add it to the menu, and this is where it's come up just here. And in here, it will say that it is the, you can label it what you want. So I've changed it from Online Learning AMA to Ask Me Anything. And that will then redirect to that. Oh, this one's come back, let's delete it. That one will then redirect to your Aweber landing page. So what you need to do is you need to decide when you're doing an external link whether you want to do it on a custom link like the first one that I've just shown you, where you just set it up as a URL and drag it through, or whether you want to do it through a plugin for your particular system. That's particularly common when you're using email autoresponder systems, then that's quite common. What's the benefits of that? Well, the benefit is that when you go to my site, the AMA actually has a URL that is the builditbrilliant.co.uk/AMA. So I can then put that onto a YouTube sites or anything like that. And when people click on that, it will take them directly through to my Aweber. So instead of having this on landing pages on Aweber, you imagine this being the URL here, which is a little bit crazy. Instead of that, all I have is my website, builditbrilliant.co.uk/AMA. But what effectively that does is through that plugin, it redirects that page through from a URL on my website. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope that helps you to create your menus on your websites to link out to various external sites that you're using, whether that be for online courses or email sign up or whatever it is that you need an extra page for on your website. That's it for the video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next week for the next video.